Today we'll be solving speed-time problem using quadratic expression. So now we'll look at an example. So it says that the distance between two countries A and B is 286. So we'll draw a number line to denote A to B is 286 km. The average speed is x km per hour. So the question wants us to find the hour it takes for him to get from A to B. So if you recall, the time is actually distance over speed. So the distance is 286 and the speed is x. So this is the time taken for him to go from A to B. He traveled from B to A at a speed of x plus 4 km per hour. So if you recall, the distance of A to B is 286 km. So to find the time taken, again, it is distance over speed. So distance is 286 and the speed is x plus 4. So this is the time taken for him to go back from B to A. Now let's look at the next part. The total time to go from A to B and B to A was 8 hours. So if you recall from part A, this is the time taken from A to B and this is the time taken from B to A. So if you add these two expressions up, it will be equal to 8 hours. Now, we need to show that this expression can be simplified to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine them up into a single fraction by making the denominator the same. So we'll multiply the first expression by x plus 4 and the next expression by x. So by combining them into a single fraction, we'll get 286x plus 1144 plus 286x over x squared plus 4x. So how did I get x squared plus 4x is I apply the rainbow method here. And this is equal to 8. Our next step will be we'll cross multiply. So if you recall, cross multiplication is that when you take this times this is equal to this times this. So we'll have 8x squared plus 32x equal to 572x plus 1144. Next, we'll bring these two terms over to the left side. So we'll get 8x squared plus 32x minus 572x minus 1144 equal to 0. By combining these two like terms together, we'll get 8x squared minus 540x minus 1144 equal to 0. Now the last step is, we can see that this is 8x squared, but this is 2x squared. So all we need to do is divide this expression by 4, and we'll get 2x squared minus 135x minus 286 equal to 0. So that's it.